I definitely picked up some Rare Beauty body mist. It's one of my favorite body sprays right now. I also got matched for my Fenty concealer shade. And shout out to the girlies that work at Sephora because they be knowing they stuff. The girl that matched me perfectly. I only wear makeup occasionally, but I'm starting to get into it a little bit. I was really just in Sephora for the fragrances, and let me just show you guys some of my favorite fragrances. So this Gucci Flora smells so good. It's very floral and light, and it's just really soft and beautiful. I love all the fragrances by Marc Jacobs, especially the Daisy Oh So Fresh. I'm getting into the Valentino too. And I had to show y'all my hair because I did a real cute and simple messy bun. I also put on my short Temu nails that I got in my last Temu haul video. If you guys missed my last vlog where I showed you guys all the things that I got from Temu, these nails were included in that video. Make sure you guys go check it out. But let's get into the tutorial on these nails. So like I said, these nails are from Temu, and I usually do not do short nails, but they were so cute I just had to get them. So of course, the first thing we need to do is size our nails and make sure that the sizes that we are picking fits our natural nail beds. That first nail I picked up was too big, so I went a size down, and that size fits my thumb perfectly. That's what you always want to go for when you are sizing your nails, making sure that you pick the nail that fits your natural nail good. There's no spaces and gaps on the side. If it's overlapping onto your skin, that means that nail is too big and you may want to size down, and it should just really cover your natural nail from sidewall to sidewall and fit comfortably on your finger. If it fits too tight, then of course you got to go up a size. But really, that's all it takes to size your nails, is just making sure that it fits comfortably on your natural nails. So this is the set after I've picked all my nail sizes, and I am loving this set. It is so cute. These are more like a medium to me. They're not as short as they looked on the Temu app. So I can get with these. They're shorter. They're on the shorter side, but they're not like nubby short. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know I'm a long nail girly. So this length is definitely different for me, but I like them. So what I'm doing right now is shaving that shiny layer from the top of my natural nails. This really helps your nails adhere really good to your natural nails, because if you try to put your press-on nails on before taking that shiny layer off, they will not stick and last as long. You need to start with a roughened surface. So even if you go to the nail salon, they always use the nail drill to roughen up the surface of your natural nails before they start working on them. So it's the same thing when it comes to press on nails. So now that I got the surface roughened up, I'm just going to go in with my alcohol and acetone mixture. I put 50-50 equal amounts of acetone and alcohol in a bottle, and I use that as my nail dehydrator. And it definitely works to further dehydrate the nails. And this is the nail glue that I'm going to be using. It's one of my favorite brush on nail glues, and everything will be linked in the description of this video. And by the way, shout out to Temu for sponsoring these nails and this portion of this video. If you are new to Temu and you want to see what it's about, click the link in the description of my video and download the Temu app, and also use my referral code FAVE23582 to get a $100 coupon bundle to save on your order. Temu is honestly one of my favorite apps to shop from. As you guys know, I'm always doing things that are budget friendly on my channel. You know, I'm trying to save a little coin, so of course I put y'all on to things that can save y'all a little coin as well. And shopping on Temu, you are definitely going to save a coin. But be careful because them prices is so cheap, you gonna spend some coins as well. So we got the first nail on. And let me just show you guys how I apply my nail glue. So even though this is a brush on nail glue, I'm literally just dabbing the nail glue on. I'm not really brushing it on because I want to create a nice layer and a bubble of nail glue so that my nails has a good thickness of glue to stick to and really stick to my nails and last long. This is one of the key points to help your press-on nails last long. You have to apply enough glue. And then you want to line the press-on nail up with the cuticle area first and start pressing from the cuticle on up to the tips of your natural nails. And then you're going to hold the center of that nail and also press against your side walls so that you get full cover press onto your natural nails. And look how cute they are looking so far. I was like, ooh, these colors. I knew the colors was just gonna pop, and they are popping. I love these colors that's on these nails. The nails are not super thick, but they're not super thin either. They're a medium thickness. They're pretty firm at the tip and more flexible towards the cuticle, which is always good, and that helps the nails to give a more natural look, which I don't think people are really going for a natural look with nails. Nails are just something that you can kind of just make your own. Like, nobody really cares if they're natural nails or not anymore. Back in the day when people were applying press-ons and getting their nails done, they would always try to be like, oh, these are my natural nails. Y'all remember that? People really used to try to be like, oh, these are my natural nails. Girl, bye. And in the times that we are living in today, don't nobody care no more. Like, no one cares if you are wearing press-ons, acrylics, gel-X, natural. Like, nobody really cares anymore. That's crazy. Times really have changed. But anywho, I got all the nails on and they are looking so cute, and I'm gonna use the nail file that came with the nails to shape my tips the way that I want them. I want my nails to be nice and square, so I'm just using the nail file to shape them into a nice crispy square tip. And now they are nice and crisp on the tips, and I am loving how these nails are looking so far, but we are not done yet. I am going to apply a base coat because I'm going to be applying a gel top coat. So before you apply your top coat, it's always good to apply a base coat first so that your top coat has something to stick to. So basically your base coat is like a tacky sticky layer for your top coat to stick to, which will help your top coat to last long and not peel off. And you don't have to apply the base coat on thick. I'm just putting a nice layer to coat the nails, making sure I am covering the entire nail because we are going to apply that top coat over the entire nail. So in order for your whole top coat to stick well, you have to apply the base coat all over the nail, including the side walls and the tips of your nails. And then we're going to cure that base coat for 60 seconds under a full power nail lamp. So now that our base coat is cured, we are going to go in with our top coat. And this base coat and top coat is also from Temu and will be linked in the description as well. And with the top coat, you don't have to apply the top coat on super thick either. This top coat is already nice and thick, so you don't have to go too crazy with it. Just make sure you are applying it nice and smooth and even so that you don't have some areas of your nail thick and then too thin on another side of your nail. So just make sure you're putting a nice even layer of top coat over that base coat. And those 2 extra layers are going to help your nails to be a lot more durable and last longer as well. And I cured that top coat for 60 seconds as well. And I did the same exact thing to my right hand, and boom, just like that, we got a bomb fresh set. The last thing I did was apply my cuticle oil because of course we have to keep our cuticles nice and oiled and hydrated. We do not condone crusty cuticles on this channel, so make sure you guys are applying your cuticle oil. And this cuticle oil is also from Temu as well. And boom, just like that, we got a bomb fresh set. I love this set. It is so cute, so affordable. I mean, the set was only $1 and some change, and it is definitely giving nail shop. The glue is bomb as well. I'm doing the glue test, and as you can see, these nails are on and they are not going nowhere. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how long these nails lasted. One thing Temu gonna do is do it every time, because look at these nails, y'all. They came out so good, and for these to be some shorties, I am really loving the shorties. So I'll definitely be doing more short nail tutorials on my channel and reviews as well, because I know it's a lot of short nail girlies that are subscribed to my channel. So I got y'all. So now that my nails are done, I also wanted to show you guys these rings that I got from Temu. This whole pack of rings is only $1.99, and it comes with 21 rings. So that is definitely a steal of a deal. And there's multiple sizes of the rings that come in the pack, so you have a ring or 2 to fit each one of your fingers. So I was just trying all the nails on right here to see which nails fit my fingers, and I just put on a few of them to show you guys, because I just love how rings look on my fingers after I got a fresh set of nails on. The rings definitely complement the nails and just make your hands and fingers look so cute. Do me a favor and like this video for me, and also drop me a comment and let me know how you guys feel about these nails. And if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping and you do not miss any of my content. And don't forget to check the description box for links to these nails and all the products used in this video to apply them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.